Hey y'all, my name is Leah, or you guys can call me Baby Scorpio, and welcome to this opening hip yoga session, which helps gradually warm up the hip area, increase mobility, and stretch out the muscles around the hips. We're going to start on our hands and knees with our knees wide apart and our big toes touching. Lower your hips back towards your heels and stretch out your arms forward on the mat into child's pose. We're going to focus on deep breathing, so breathing in and out as we begin to relax and open up the hips gently. I want you to be open to being grounded, safe, and open to major changes in your life. As you release all the tension and make space for peace. We're going to transition into a tabletop position. So inhale as you arch your back into cow's pose, lifting up your tailbone and your chest. As you exhale, you're going to round your spine into cat pose, tucking in your tailbone and your chin. We're going to synchronize our breath and our movement as we continue this pose for 1 minute. Feel yourself flowing with ease as you release everything that does not serve you. Your body is strong, flexible, and at ease. We're going to transition into downward dog. So from a tabletop position, we're going to lift our hips up and back into an inverted V shape. Keep your hands shoulder width apart and keep your feet hip width apart, pressing your heels towards the mat. You are strong and steady with an open heart and mind. Feel your body releasing all the tension as you open up with ease. We're going to step our right foot forward between our hands, aligning our knee over our ankle. We're going to lower our left knee onto the ground and gently press our hips forward to stretch our hip flexors on the left side. For a deeper stretch, raise your arms overhead and also remember to deep breathe. And we're going to switch sides. We're going to transition into pigeon pose. So we're going to start in a tabletop position and bring our right knee forward to our right wrist and extend our left leg straight behind us. Lower your hips to the ground, keeping them square, and fold your chest forward to deepen the stretch. As you open your hips, allow yourself to let go of past emotions and create space for healing. And we're going to switch sides. As your hips are open, know that you are worthy of true love and growth. We're going to transition into butterfly pose, so sit with your feet together and your knees to the sides. Gently press your knees towards the floor, and if you want a deeper stretch, lean forward slightly, keeping your back straight. Remember to breathe deeply as you open your hips and inner thighs. Honor your body and give it space to stretch and grow. We're going to transition into happy baby pose. So lie on your back, bend your knees towards your chest, and grab the outer edges of your feet with your hands. We're going to open our knees wide and gently pull them towards the floor, keeping your back on the mat. You're going to feel all that tension being released from your hips. As you release all these blockages, welcome ease and joy into your life and embody that energy. We're going to transition into Savasana, so lie on your back with your legs extended in front of you and your arms by your side with your palms facing up. We're going to focus on deep breathing and relaxing our entire body, allowing our hips to fully release. Surrender yourself to the present moment and allow yourself to fully rest and rejuvenate your body. As you fully make peace with yourself, trust your body's ability to truly heal itself from whatever you guys are going through. At this time, you can slowly open your eyes and wiggle your fingers and your toes, coming into a seated position, or you can stay in Savasana. Thank yourself for showing up to this yoga session. You are worthy of investing in your mind, body, and soul. Namaste, and see you guys next time. Bye, y'all.